In this lesson, we will understand what are tokens in C language. The types of tokens will also be covered. Let's start. In C programming, tokens are the smallest units of a program that the compiler recognizes. Consider them as individual words and punctuation. They are the building blocks for constructing code and include keywords, identifiers, and white spaces. It also includes constants and operators. So here we'll be discussing three types of tokens, that is identifiers, keywords, and whitespace. Let us start. Identifiers are names used to identify variables, functions, arrays, and other user-defined items. Remember, you cannot use keywords as identifiers. Keywords are reserved words that have special meaning in C. We will discuss the concept of keywords later. So identifiers must begin with a letter or underscore and can contain letters, digits, and underscores, just like variables. The following are some examples of identifiers. Like we create variables, marks variable, it can also start with an underscore, like underscore marks, or a single character A. You can also add numbers in it, like study 987. Okay. With that, the number can be added in the end also, like result 1. So these are just examples of valid identifiers in C. Here are some rules for naming identifiers. As I said before, it can start with an underscore or a letter. It can include only letters, digits, or underscores. Except underscore, you cannot add any other special character. And it should never be a keyword. Like we used printf before. Printf was a keyword. So you cannot use printf here. And it should not contain any white space. Like we have shown before, you can add underscore. If you want to add marks result, you can add marks underscore result or result underscore marks. So white space is not allowed. Now let us see what are keywords. I just related identifiers with keywords, and I told that keywords are reserved words. So over 30 keywords are part of the C language. You cannot use keywords as identifiers, that is, you cannot add keywords as variable names or function names. Here is a list of keywords that are known to the C compiler. Some of these we will discuss in the upcoming lessons. We saw before int, char, float. So these are also reserved in C. That is, reserved words are called keywords in C. These are keywords in C language. Now let us see the third type, that is whitespace. So whitespace, as the name suggests, includes vertical tabs, horizontal tabs. It can be blank comments, end of line, and others. If you'll add a white space, then it won't be considered by the compiler. But you can still use white space in comments. We will discuss comments later also. Okay, and white spaces can be used to separate parts of statements, like I told before how to create a variable. When you write int space I, then the space, we are using white space here. Similarly here, float points. A float variable points. The data type float is separated by the variable name points. So this is also a part of tokens in C language. So guys, we saw what are tokens in C language. Tokens are smallest units of a program that the compiler recognizes. We also saw some types of tokens like keywords, identifiers, and whitespace. Thank you for watching the video.